Tell us your name and tell us about your project.
My name is Arno Penzius, and I am a German radio astronomer. My project is quite different from many others, even though our main focus of the research was to find the detection of hydrogen. Our test decided to take another turn, and we ended up discovering cosmic microwave background.
What were you trying to do or find?
As stated before, our main intention was to find the detection of hydrogen. We really had no intentions to discover the cosmic microwave background, since other scientists were already on the grind to do so.
Where did the project or experiment occur?
The experiment occurred in the state of New Jersey, as that is the spot in which Bell Labs' Holmdel horn antenna was located. The antenna picked up an odd buzzing sound that came from all parts of the sky at all times. We were very curious where this noise was coming from.
What other significant events were happening around the world at that time?
Lots of events were happening worldwide during the discovery of the radio telescope. Tokyo, Japan hosted the 18th Summer Olympics. The Beatles swept through the United States during this time after they became known through an appearance on The Sullivan Show in February of 1964. The era of the Beatles became known as Beatlemania. President Kennedy was assassinated in Dallas, Texas on November 22, 1963. Lyndon Johnson is sworn in as president pretty quickly after Kennedy was shot. The first Super Bowl occurred January 15, 1967. Star Trek debuts September 8, 1966. Racism was still a big problem during this time, and Martin Luther King Jr. stood up and gave the I Have a Dream speech on August 28, 1963. The Cuban Missile Crisis also occurred October 22nd to the 28th, 1962.
Who else was involved in the project?
The two main people associated with the discovery of the cosmic microwave background was Robert Wilson and myself. It is a great honor to be named the founders of this new piece of information that supports the theory of the Big Bang.
So what was your role in the project?
It was more of a mutual effort among me and Robert Wilson. In 1963, we were studying faint microwave signals from the Milky Way galaxy, and we discovered a mysterious noise of unknown origin. We worked together the whole time to figure out the reason behind this weird noise.
What impact did your project have on the physics community?
This is the moment in which you have been waiting for this whole time. So the discovery of the cosmic microwave background is basically what's left over from the energy of the Big Bang. When the universe was young, it was permeated by extremely hot hydrogen plasma and was opaque to electromagnetic radiation. The Big Bang model holds that the universe expanded from that point and got cooler. The plasma cooled and formed molecules, and the electromagnetic radiation has been propagating through space ever since. The continued expansion of the universe has stretched the wavelength of this radiation from the visible into microwaves, and that's where we get the CMB. This is a thermal measurement of the electromagnetic radiation of the universe and can tell us a great deal about its evolution and structure. With all that being said, one thing to get from mine and Wilson's discovery is the fact that it helped other scientists explore the universe in ways they never had before.
What an interesting discovery. Did you win any prizes for this discovery?
Matter of fact, we did. We were awarded the 1978 Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery for detecting cosmic wave background.
That is excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.